Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 20 in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 110 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz. Now click start quiz. Here you see February 20 a question and two options, in which one option is the correct option, and I will provide you the correct option. Option number 1, which is true, is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Here you see I receive 100 gems as a correct answer. Now click on continue. Here you see you have completed 7 days straight and I earn 1000 extra gems as a bonus. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.